New tax year resolution 5, taking care over drawdown. When the time comes for you to draw down on your financial assets, and that time may have already come, your clients may already be drawing down on financial assets. It is so important throughout the tax year to take time and care and get advice over when to take your money and how to take your money. It's so, so important. You can make such a massive difference by taking the time to make the decisions in an informed way. Taking money from a pension arrangement may seem like the obvious place to take your money from, but it could often be, if you have other assets, the worst place to take it from, because preserving assets in a fund that is super tax efficient and is free of inheritance tax must make sense and is worth preserving. It goes against maybe historic culture, which would be, I did my pension for pensions, and now the time's come to take a pension, so I'm going to take it from there. Probably not if you have other assets. So the watchwords are really take due care over drawdown throughout the whole of the tax year. Be too late when you get to the end if you go, oh, I drew it down and I didn't maximize the use of an allowance I could have used. I didn't take money from a place where the income would have been tax free, for example, from my ISA. Oh, I took money from that place when I should have left it there because it would have grown more tax efficiently, for example, leaving it in your ISA or taking it from your pension. Oh, I didn't think about how I can take money from my bond with many years of accrued undrawn 5% withdrawals, or many years of the bond just being in force. And I've got this thing called top slicing relief, which I probably wouldn't have known about unless my advisor told me about it. But it means that I could take this chunk of money out because it's money I'm interested in, not necessarily income, and not pay any tax on it. That would be incredible, yeah, if you know about it. So it's really, really important to take due care over drawdown. Of course, this is a massive source of potential need for advice where advisors have an absolutely critical role to play. So engage with your clients throughout the tax year to make sure that they maximize the use of their allowances and exemptions and tax freedoms when drawing down on their financial assets. One of the most key, I think, new tax year resolutions to take care over drawdown.